You want to be irreplaceable, but right now, you're not. You're replaceable, forgettable, and ordinary. And the worst part? You know it. Deep down, you feel it every single day. You see people around you getting promoted, building businesses, leveling up, and you're still stuck in the same version of yourself, wondering when your turn will come. Here's the truth. Your turn isn't coming because you're not building anything worth keeping. You're comfortable, distracted, and waiting for life to reward you for doing the bare minimum. But the world doesn't work like that. The world replaces average people every single day, and unless you change right now, you'll be one of them. So let's fix this. Here are 10 habits that will make you so valuable, so sharp, so different that people won't be able to replace you even if they tried. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Not sometimes, not when you feel like it, every single day. This isn't about waking up early. This is about control. When you control your mornings, you control your life. 2. Do the hardest task first. Stop hiding behind busy work. Stop checking emails and pretending you're productive. Attack the thing that scares you. Do it first. That's where your power lives. 3. Move your body daily. You sit all day and wonder why you feel dead inside. Your body is your engine. If you don't move it, it shuts down. 10 push-ups, a 5-minute walk, anything, just move. 4. Read for 30 minutes. Not scroll, not watch, read. Your mind is either growing or rotting. There's no middle ground. Feed it or lose it. 5. Cut distractions ruthlessly. Your phone is stealing your future. Social media is killing your focus. If you can't go 1 hour without checking notifications, you're not in control. You're owned. 6. Learn one high-value skill. Pick something that actually matters. Coding, writing, sales, public speaking. Master it, because skills make you dangerous, and dangerous people don't get replaced. 7. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Motivation is a lie. Discipline is the only thing that works. The days you don't want to show up are the days that build you. 8. Surround yourself with people better than you. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Find people who push you, challenge you, make you uncomfortable. 9. Track your progress weekly. You can't improve what you don't measure. Sit down every Sunday, review your week, ask yourself what worked, what didn't, and what needs to change. 10. Build in public. Stop hiding your work until it's perfect. Share your progress, post your failures, let people see you building. That's how you become unforgettable. These aren't just habits, this is a system. And when you follow this system, you don't just improve, you transform. You become someone people can't ignore, can't forget, can't replace. So here's the question. Are you going to keep being average, or are you finally ready to become irreplaceable? The choice is yours, but you need to decide right now, because every day you wait is another day someone else is building what you're dreaming about.